Jai Hind everybody. I am again here with the new topic, the application of trigonometry. इससे पहले चैप्टर में हमने जो है ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशोज के बारे में पढ़ा है कि वो जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशोज हैं, देयर आर 6 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशोज विच आर साइन थीटा, कॉस थीटा, टेन थीटा, कॉट थीटा, सेक थीटा एंड कॉसेक थीटा। इस चैप्टर में हम कि हाउ द ट्रिग्नोमेट्री इज रिलेटेड इन आवर रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस, कि ट्रिग्नोमेट्री किस तरीके से हमारी रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस में कनेक्टेड है, उसको स्टडी करेंगे। तो आइए पहले कुछ पॉइंट्स पे जो है कंसंट्रेट करते हैं। जस्ट लुक हियर, सपोज दिस इज द टावर ए बी, दिस इज द टावर ए बी, जहां पे पॉइंट बी क्या है, टॉप ऑफ द टावर है, इसका टॉप है, टॉप ऑफ द टावर क्या है, बी है। और यहां पे कोई ऑब्जर्वर खड़ा है, दिस वन, दिस इज द ऑब्जर्वर, ये ऑब्जर्वर खड़ा है, सी जो है ऑब्जर्वर की आई है, सी क्या है, आई ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वर। ऑब्जर्वर इट मे बी ए गर्ल, इट मे बी ए बॉय, इट मे बी ए मैन और इट मे बी ए वुमेन। ये जो है सी, दिस इज द आई ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वर। अब क्या है, अब अगर मैं सी से इस ऑब्जेक्ट की तरफ देखता हूं, ये जो टॉप ऑफ द टावर है, इसको मैं एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट ट्रीट कर रहा हूं। अगर मैं इस पॉइंट सी से इस बी को ऑब्जर्व करता हूं, तो ये जो एंगल आपका ऊपर की तरफ बन रहा है, ये जो आपका एंगल ऊपर की तरफ बन रहा है, और इस लाइन को मैं एक स्ट्रेट कर लूं आगे, ये जो आई वाली साइड है, ये जो आई की लाइन है, आई की लाइन को अगर मैं एक आगे हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल की तरफ इमेजिन कर लूं, तो ये जो एंगल है आपका, जो कि आई ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वर ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ बनाती है विद द हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल, दैट इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन। एंड दिस BC, this line BC is called line of the sight, line of the sight, यानी वो लाइन जिससे हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को व्यू कर रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं। Similarly, just look at in this figure. Suppose this AC is a building. This AC is a building and any person is sitting, और कोई आदमी जो है इसकी विंडो पे बैठा हुआ है, यहाँ पे सी पे, पॉइंट सी पे बैठा हुआ है। तो यहाँ से यहाँ पे जो उसकी आई है, उसकी जो आँख है, वो किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को नीचे की तरफ देखती है। जैसे यहाँ पे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है, पॉइंट बी से दिखा रहा हूँ, यानी अगर वो आई जो है यहाँ से इधर को देखती है बी की तरफ, तो ये बी सी हो गई यहाँ पे लाइन ऑफ साइट, ओके। एंड देन दिस लाइन, दिस इमेजिनरी लाइन, द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल। अब ये हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल से जितना एंगल डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में बनाएगा, दिस वन, दिस एंगल, दैट इज एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, दैट इज एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन। नाउ दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन इज पैरेलल टू दिस, this horizontal line is parallel to this, therefore this angle, that is ABC, this will be equal to this angle because they are alternate interior angles. ये जो angle of depression है, this angle of depression is equal to the angle ABC, ABC. So now we can write that the line of sight, the line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. ठीक है, angle of elevation of the point viewed is the angle found by the line of sight with the horizontal, with the point viewed is above the horizontal लेवल। यानी क्या है, जब हम आई से जो है, जब आपका जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो ऑरिजेंटल से ऊपर की तरफ हो और हमारी आई जिस एंगल को व्यूड करती है ऑरिजेंटल के साथ, दैट इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन। सिमिलरली एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, दिस इज द एंगल फाउंड बाय द लाइन ऑफ साइट विद द ऑरिजेंटल विद द पॉइंट इज बिलो द ऑरिजेंटल लेवल। ये क्या है, जो आई जो है हमारी ऑरिजेंटल लेवल से जितना एंगल बनाती है, जबकि हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ है, बिलो द ऑरिजेंटल लेवल है। और एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन में हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ होता है, अबव द ऑरिजेंटल लेवल। और इसमें एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन में ऑब्जेक्ट इज बिलो द ऑरिजेंटल लेवल, यानी जो हमारी जो आई के सामने जो इमेजिनरी लाइन है उससे नीचे की तरफ होता है, तब होता है आपका एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन। दिस एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन विल बी इक्वल टू दिस ए बी सी। ओके, दे आर इक्वल बिकॉज दे आर अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स। इज इट ओके? नाउ वी आर टेकिंग एक्सरसाइज 9.1। This is question number 1 कि a circuit artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope। एक जो सर्कस का आर्टिस्ट है वो 20 मीटर लंबी रस्सी पे क्लाइंब कर रहा है, चढ़ रहा है, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground। जो कि क्या है, किसी पोल के टॉप से और ग्राउंड के किसी पॉइंट पे टाइट है और खींचा हुआ है, इन दिस वे। जस्ट लुक एट दिस फिगर। Suppose this is the vertical pole AB. AB is the vertical pole. Is it okay? And this is the ground. This is ground. ये कोई रोप है, ये रोप क्या है, ये टॉप ऑफ द टावर से और ग्राउंड पे बांधी गई है। दिस इज द बी, बी इज द टॉप ऑफ द टावर। और यहाँ पे जो है ये रोप जो है आपकी दिस बी सी इज द रोप। ये पॉइंट सी पे टाइट की गई है और बांधी गई है यहाँ पे। इज इट ओके? तो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन नाउ कि सर्कस आर्टिस्ट इज क्लाइंबिंग अ 20 मीटर लॉन्ग रोप। वो क्या है, कोई सर्कस आर्टिस्ट जो है इस रोप पे क्लाइंब कर रहा है, चढ़ रहा है। एंड व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस रोप, 20 मीटर। ओके, फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द पोल इफ द एंगल मेड बाय द रोप विद द ग्राउंड लेवल इज 30 डिग्री। द एंगल मेड बाय द रोप, दिस इज द रोप विद द horizontal ground is 30 degree. So can you tell me what is the height of vertical pole? This is the height of vertical pole. Yani you have to find this one. AB you have to find. Now just look here. What things are given there? One, this angle is given. This rope is the given. We know beta कि every pole makes 90 degree angle with the ground. So now what you are given? The given things are your hypotenuse, and this is there which we have to find height of the pole. And in this right angle triangle you are given the perpendicular and hypotenuse and the angle. Now what is that trigonometric ratios where the perpendicular and this one hypotenuse is connected? So there are two identities. The first one is sin theta and another one is cosec theta. So we can use either of the identity. So we are attempting this question by both the identities. Now in triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle, just look here. AB upon BC, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, is how much? What is this formula? Sin theta. Yani sin 30. What we have to find? This AB. Therefore, AB upon BC will be how much? Sin 30. And what is the value of sin 30? 2. I have to find the value of AB. Therefore, AB is equal to what? 1 upon 2 into BC. And 1 upon 2 into 20, which is 10 meter. So what is the AB? AB is the height of the tower. AB is the height of the tower. Or just look the another way for this. Because this perpendicular and the hypotenuse is found in two trigonometric ratios, क्योंकि ये दो में होता है, एक साइन थीटा और कॉसेक थीटा में. तो या तो आप साइन थीटा वाला फॉर्मूला यूज कर लो और कॉसेक थीटा वाला फॉर्मूला यूज कर लो. इनमें से कोई भी आप एक यूज कर लो. सपोज अगेन वी कैन राइट कि BC अपॉन AB is equal to how much? Cosec 30, because this is hypotenuse over perpendicular. Is it okay? So therefore what will happen? BC can be written as AB into cosec 30. We can put the values. BC. How much is BC? 20 meter is equal to AB. And what is the value of cosec 30? 2. Therefore, AB will be 20 upon 2. That is 10 meter. So just look. दोनों तरीके से जो है हमारा आंसर 10 मीटर आ रहा है. तो therefore the height of the vertical pole is 10 meter. Is it okay? Now look at question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part is bent so that the top of the tree touch the ground, making an angle 30 with it. ये आपका कोई पेड़ था, कहता है कोई पेड़ है. सपोज AB इज द ट्री. AB आपका कोई पेड़ है और ये आपका ग्राउंड है. ठीक है, दिस इज द ground or पेड़. The angle between these two, the tree and the ground, is 90 degree. अब सपोज वो कहता है कि ड्यू टू ए हैवी स्टॉर्म a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touch the ground. ये जो है top of the tree है. What is the B? B is top of the tree. अब हैवी स्टॉर्म आता है, सपोज करो ये यहां पे जो है टूट जाता है, ब्रेक हो जाता है, तो व्हेन इट विल ब्रेक दिस विल फॉल डाउन लाइक दिस, तो ये कुछ इस तरीके से गिर जाएगा. और सपोज ये कहाँ है, पॉइंट सी पे जो है ग्राउंड को टच करता है. जस्ट टेल मी वन मोर थिंग कि दिस इज द ब्रोकन पार्ट, दिस इज द ब्रोकन पार्ट ऑफ द ट्री. तो जितना ये होगा यही तो बैंड होके जमीन पे ग्राउंड को टच कर रहा है. इट मीन्स दीज टू विल बी इक्वल, दीज टू विल बी इक्वल. दिस इज लेट, दिस इज द पॉइंट डी, जहां पे क्या होता है, ये कट हो जाता है, टूट जाता है, ब्रेक हो जाता है और बैंड करके जमीन पे ग्राउंड को टच करता है. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touch the ground making an angle 30 degree with it. और ये क्या है, यहाँ से बैंड होके और कितने डिग्री का एंगल बनाता है ग्राउंड से, 30 डिग्री का. कितने डिग्री का एंगल बनाता है, 30 डिग्री का. आगे देखिए, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द फुट ऑफ द ट्री टू द पॉइंट where the top touch the ground is 8 meter. Now where is the foot of the tree? This A is foot of the tree. कह रहा है the distance between the foot of the tree and where the top of the tree touch the ground is 8 meter. यानी this one, this AC is given 8 meter. This one is given 8 meter. What is the value of this? 8 meter. The question is this, find the height of the tree. Find the height of the tree. Suppose this is the portion X and this is the portion Y. So what we have to find here? X plus Y. X plus Y. Now just look here. Now just look here. This BD will be equal to CD. CD is equal to X. Let this BD was X, therefore the CD will also be X. Because ये वही पार्ट है ट्री का जो बैंड होके ग्राउंड पे टच करता है, तो जितना पार्ट ऊपर रहा होगा वही आपका जमीन पे टच करेगा. इज इट देयर? दिस इज द पॉइंट बी, top of the tree. Again now you have to find the height of the tree. So what is the height of the tree? Height of the tree is x plus y. This we have to find. हाइट ऑफ द ट्री क्या निकालना है मेरे को, x प्लस वाई. नाउ जस्ट लुक एट इन दिस ट्राइंगल ADC. यहां पे सही सही लिख लेते हैं, ADC. इन ट्राइंगल ADC, in triangle ADC. Just look here. This X is hypotenuse and this AC is base. Hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base. What is the hypotenuse? X. And what is the base? This one, 8. hypotenuse upon base, that is sec 30. Hypotenuse upon base is the sec 30. So from here you can get value of x. Therefore x will be 8 sec 30. 8 multiplied by sec 30. 2 upon under root 3. 2 upon under root 3. Is it there? Sec 30 is 2 upon under root 3. Similarly, again in this triangle, this y upon 8. Again, what is this? Perpendicular upon base. What is your perpendicular? Y. Y upon 8 is tan 30. The perpendicular from base is tan 30. So y will be 8 tan 30, and tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3. So how much it is? 8 upon under root 3. Now the total height of the tree. Now the height of the tree. Therefore, the height of the tree is equal to how much? X plus y, 16 upon 3 plus 8 upon 3. This is 24 upon 3. Rationalize it. 24 upon 3. Just rationalize it. (24 upon under root 3). When we will rationalize this, we should multiply with under root 3. Under root 3 upon under root 3. What will be here in the numerator? 24 under root 3, or under root 3 into 3, 3. So how much it is? 8 under root 3 meter is the height of the tree. So what is the height of the tree? 8 under root 3 meter. Now this is question number 3rd. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. एक जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है उसको किसी पार्क में 2 स्लाइड्स इंस्टॉल करनी है, बनवानी है. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. 2 टाइप के उनको जो है स्लाइड्स इंस्टॉल करने हैं. पहला स्लाइड्स क्या है? बिलो द एज ऑफ 5 years चिल्ड्रन. उसमें क्या है? दिस इज for the children below the age of 5 years. She want to install a slide whose top is 1.5 meter from the ground level. This is 1.5 meter from the ground and with an inclination. Inclination means angle is given there. The inclination is given there How much is inclined at an angle of 30 degree with the ground? This angle is given 30 degree. This is the slide. BC is the slide 1. First slide for the children. And the another one is whereas for elder children, for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter. कितना? 3 meter and inclined with an angle of 60 degree. And this is the slide second. Slide second. The question is this: what should be the length of slide in each case? You have to find the length of slide in each case. Again, we have two triangles. In this triangle, here, tell me, this BC upon AB. What is this? BC is the hypotenuse upon this one. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Cosec 30. Can you tell me the length of BC? BC will be AB into cosec 30. BC is equal to, what is the length of AB? And cosec 30 is 2. So BC is what? 3 meter. Similarly, look at this triangle in triangle PQR. QR upon PR. Again it is cosec 60. So QR will be PR, which is 3. What is the value of PR? 3 into cosec 60. And cosec 60 is how much? Cosec 60. Two upon under root 3. Is it okay? Now we can rationalize it. What will happen? We will multiply it with under root 3 upon under root 3. This under root 3 and this under root 3 will become what? 3. This will cancel out and the length of QR will be this 2 under root 3 meter. So these are the length of the slides in each case. 3 meter and 2 under root 3 meter. 3 meter and 2 under root 3 meter. Now just look at question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of tower is this. Find the height of the tower. Suppose this is the tower. This is the top of the tower. This point. This is the foot of the tower. This is the tower. Let this is point A and this is B. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. This is the point C, which is 30 meter away from this. This angle of elevation is given how much? This angle of elevation is given 30 degree. 30 degree. You have to find the height of the tower. So what is the height of the tower here? AB. What is the height of the tower here? AB. Therefore, in triangle ABC, just tell me, AB upon this perpendicular upon base, this is what? Tan theta. Tan theta means tan 30. Therefore, AB will be BC into tan 30. What is the value of BC? 30 meter. And what is the value of this? 1 upon under root 3. What is the value of this one? What is the value of BC? 30 meter. And tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3. Again rationalize it. What you will get? under root 3 upon under root 3 into under root 3. That is 3 tan under root 3 meter. So tan under root 3 is the height of the tower. Height of the tower. Again just look at question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. This is the kite and this is flying 60 meter above the ground. This is the ground. This is point A, let this is point B. This angle will be 90. Is flying 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the point on the ground. Okay. Let this is the point C. This is the string. ये वो स्ट्रिंग है जो ग्राउंड पे पॉइंट सी से बांधा गया है. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. What is this angle given? 60 degree. The question is this, what is the find the length of the string assuming that there is no strake in the string. कहता है length of the string निकालो. तो what is the string here? AC. This is string. You have to find the length of this string. Again you have this right angle triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, just tell me this AB upon AC is perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sine, and what is the sine here? 60 degree. Now put the values. What is your AB? 60 upon AC will be sine 60, and sine 60 is under root 3 upon 2. Therefore 60 is equal to AC into under root 3 upon 2. Therefore AC will be, just look here, 60 into 2 upon under root 3. Again rationalize it. Multiplying by under root 3 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. What will happen? This is 60 into 2 into under root 3 or upon this under root 3 and under 3 will become what? 3. This will become 3. Now, the length of the string which is AC will be given by, just look here, 60 into 2 under root 3 upon 3. 320, that is 40 under root 3 meter. Now just look at question number 16. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower in a straight line with it are complementary. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. Just look here. Suppose this is the tower. This B is the top of the tower. What is this B? Top of the tower. This is the ground. Let here are the 2 points. This is point C and this is point D. The angle of elevation from the top of the tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of tower. This AC is 4 meter and this AD is 9 meter. What is this A? This is the base of the tower. These are the 2 points and the angle of elevations are complementary. The angle of elevations are complementary. So let these two angle of elevations are complementary. So let this angle is theta, then therefore this will be 90 minus theta. Is it okay? The question is this: the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 points on the ground which are at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter. 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower, in the same straight line, with it are complementary. Suppose one angle is theta, another will be 90 minus theta. Because what is the definition of complementary angles? Those two angles whose sum is 90 degree. If one angle is theta, other will be 90 minus theta. Question is this: prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. This is the height of the tower. AB is the height of tower. Height of the height of tower is what? H. Height of the tower is H. Now just look here. You have two right angle triangles. The first one is this ABC and another one is ACD. So now just look here. In triangle ABC, just look here. What is this? AB upon AC. AB upon AC is what? Tan theta. AB upon AC is tan theta. What is the length of AC? 4. Therefore, AB upon 4 is tan theta. AB is equal to 4 tan theta. This is equation number 1. Is it there? AB is equal to 4 tan theta. Again in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. Just look here. AB upon AD. AB upon AD is equal to tan 90 minus theta. So what is AB? AB will be AD into tan 90 minus theta. Or tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So therefore AB is equal to AD into cot theta. You can say AB is equal to, what is the length of AD? This one, 9. 9 cot theta. This is your equation number 2. In the first equation, AB is equal to 4 tan theta. And in the second equation, AB is equal to 9 cot theta. Now just multiplying them. Multiplying equation 1 and 2. So just look here, what will happen in the left hand side? AB into AB. AB into AB is equal to what? 4 tan theta into 9 cot theta, which is 4 9 ja 36 into tan theta into cot theta, or tan theta into cot theta, that is 1. 36 into 1, which is 36. AB into AB, height into height is equal to 36. H square is equal to 36. Therefore, H is equal to 6 meter. H is equal to 6 meter. And you have to prove in this question, you prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. So what is the height of the tower is? 6 meter. And it is proved. It is proved now. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.